I'm now going to demonstrate what I call the primary exercise. And I call it primary because I feel strongly that you should be able to start any note on the oboe and have it start when you want it, end when you want it to, and in between it be the pitch and volume that you meant for it to be. This is very basic. If we can't do this, then we really shouldn't be playing real repertoire. And yet, it's a pretty tall order if you think about it. There's only 26 pitches on a Baroque oboe, and I see no sign in the repertoire that any of them were harder than any others. They're all available to you at any time. From any other note, you can get to any note and start it when you wanted to, end it when you wanted to, and in between have it be the pitch and volume that you meant. And so this exercise is designed to analyze that and improve your ability to do just that. So I'm going to start on a middle D. And I'm going to play in, let's pick a key. I'm going to take B flat. Why not? So you see what I'm doing? I'm starting at the same note, a very easy note, middle D, and I'm going down, slurring down the scale, one note further each time. Then when I have the note, my target note, the first one was a C, the second one was a B flat, so on. When I have it where I want it, where it feels like I'm playing the middle of the note, then I want to articulate it just like that. The idea is to find what is the quality of wind that makes that note ring, speak, and then start it using that wind. Not the tongue, not a gust of wind, just the wind. So now I'm going to go to the next note, which would be G. And if you're doing it right, the beginning of the note has the same pitch as the middle of the note. It doesn't kickstart. That's very important. Most notes are not long enough for you to adjust them. What you perceive as the pitch of the note is the beginning of the note. So this is kind of crucial to you sounding in tune. Now, and as I'm going down, my internal resonance, the wind tuning changes. I go from do, 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 by the time I get to the bottom. So. Ooh. So now I'm going to go up. And so on. And if you have trouble with this, go back and test your reed. Does it meet the criteria that you've set out, that I've set out, or that you've set out for yourself? If it's not working, even though your reed meets the criteria, you might want to re-examine your oboe. But that's more than you can cover in a video. But this is, I think, the way it should work. So when you're doing this exercise, you want to be testing that all the intervals sound real, sound believable. And I notice that I'm not testing it against anything. I just want it to make sense within itself, right? And now in the following video, we're going to do a little reality check on this primary exercise.